We'll see some built-in functions in SQL. So the first problem we will solve is just add the following data into the table called deposit. So the query of that is use the insert keyword. So into which table we want to insert. Here I use deposit table to store the values. So I give values as one by one. So the output is it's created. Then we insert this data into the branch table. So I use insert into branch values. So here I give the values. So it also created. Then I give add these values to the customer table. So insert into customer. So the value is inserted into customer table. Then in the borrow table we want to add this data, so I will add this using insert into borrow values of the data. Then we go to the next problem, list the loan amount taken by borrowers. So here we want to select only the sum of amounts from the borrow. So sum is a built-in function used to sum the values from which table means borrowers table. Then the third question is find the total deposit done by depositor. So here also we sum the amount which given by the depositor from the deposit table. Then list the loan taken from machinery branch means select sum of amount from borrow where branch name equal to unhurry. So then the fifth question is write a query to find the total deposit of customer having account date later than 1 Jan 96. So we write a query which finds the account which account date is greater than Jan 1 96. So select sum of amount from deposit table where date is greater than 1 Jan 1996. So 10,800 is the output. So the sixth question what we see is find the total deposit of customer living in City Nagpur. So select some amount from deposit table. Inner join customer on customer. CNAME equal to deposit of dot CNAME where city is Nagpur. Then list the max deposit of customers living in Bombay. The same query but the last name is Bombay. Then find the total number of branches city. So select count is the function used to count number of values is created. So I give distance city means there are 4 from branches. In the branch table there are 4 number of cities, so you show that 4. Then find the total number of customer cities. So same the count from customer table, it shows 6 because customers are in different 6 places. Then write a query to display the branch name and branch wise deposit. So select B name comma amount from depositor ordered by B name. So we get the data of branch name and amount and order by branch name. So according to the branch name it will be show the branch name and amount. The 11th question we will see is give the branch wise deposit of the customer after account date 1 Jan 96. Select B name amount from deposit table where A date is greater than 1 Jan 96 ordered by branch name. So it ordered by branch name, we see the branch name and the amount from the deposit table. Then the 12th question what we see is find the total count of the customer. Select count of destination CNAME from customer. So there are 10 customers. Then we want to 13th question is find the total count of deposit branch. So select count of destined C name from deposit order by B name. So 9. Then we 14th question is write a query to find the maximum loan. Find the maximum loan from branch VRE. Select amount from borrow table where B name equal to VRCE. List the branch having sum of deposit more than 4,000. So select branch name from deposit where amount greater than 4,000. So it shows Agni, Aeroplace, Povai. Then the 16th question is calculate the length of the string DBMS from dual table. So select DBMS string comma length of DBMS. So this length of function is used to find the length from dual. So here output is SQL. The output is 4 because DBMS is 4. Display the name of the customer in uppercase. So here you use upper function, it converts the lowercase into uppercase. So here we see every values is in caps. Then display the substring nil from Sunil from the first table. Select C name of substring C name, 3, 5. So total size of the name is 5, and we want to find the 3 letters only from deposit table. So the customer name is Sunil. So it show Sunil and it show the substring called nil. Then the 19th question is prefix of account number, column with 2 zeros, deposit table, update deposit set account number equal to concat of 0 0 of account number. So every account number is concat with 0 0, start with 0 0. Then the 20th question is sort the deposit table based on account number. Select star symbol is used to select all data from the deposit table ordered by the account number. So it show all data according to the account number. Then 21 is use add month function to add 3 months from the current system date. So we use select add of months a date, 3 from deposit. So it add months to everyone. Then use round and turn function to round off and turn get the values 15.6789. So query is select turn 15.6.78 round off 15.678 from dual HO 15 and 16. Okay, thanks for watching.